What do YouTubers and cats have in common? They like to put their faces on things. Think about it. And one thing I did not expect MKBHD to put his face on is a video editing plugin, of all things. Because this company called MotionVFX just released this plugin that's supposed to, you know, be the ultimate tool for YouTubers who work in tech. And hey, I'm a YouTuber who works in tech, so it seems perfect for me. And it only cost me $99. $99. They are charging $99 for a video editing plugin. That's insane. That's daylight robbery. That's... Give me a second. Huh, yeah, that's a lot of money. I guess if you spend your entire life surrounded by Apple products, you do kind of end up picking up some of the habits, huh? Anyway, right now it's available for Final Cut, DaVinci, and Premiere. And since I'm using DaVinci, I'm just gonna get that. What's on offer in there? Apparently 35 titles, 10 effects, and 6 transitions. So a total of 1.9 megabytes worth of stuff. That's right, you just paid $100 for 2 megabytes of stuff for your editing software. That'd be good. Anyway, once you install this plugin, and by the way, it's not just a simple zip download, you have to like install some program to install it first, I guess for copy protection, but like whatever, it's done. Then you just simply go into whatever project you want. Here's my recent video about Auto Lake X. You scroll all the way down and you find all the good stuff. And well, good is in quotation marks. Some of it is actually pretty decent. We have, for example, this effect right here, which is just a focus. That is actually pretty cool. I tried doing that effect a couple of times, but actually doing it by hand or even a follow focus isn't as smooth as just having the program do it for you. And this does look pretty cool. Other than that, there is a color correction thing, which just makes the whole thing look super sharp. And well, we can't really have one color correction effect for everything. Naturally, color correction varies by footage. Then there's other questionable stuff. For example, one of those effects you paid $100 for is a zoom. It's literally just a zoom. This is all it does. Just zooms in the footage for you. You know how else you can do that? Done. And I didn't even charge you $100 for this. There's also a zoom continuous, which continually zooms in your footage like this. But here's the thing. You could just do this. There you go. What I find hilarious though is this one right here called Thumbnail Creator, which just kind of puts some text here on the screen along with an arrow, which is all a good YouTube thumbnail needs. And you can also go into effects and then content controls, and you can edit whatever you want here. You can change the text, such as something else like, I don't know, loser, with an arrow pointing at me, perfect. And you can even control the arrow, which is pretty cool. You can change the color, and you can literally do whatever you want. You can even change how it looks. It's actually pretty nice. There's a lot of control here. Speaking of customization, one thing I was worried about is all of these transitions right here. Because yeah, they can look kind of cool, but a lot of them have that kind of signature red MKBHD look, because they're basically just ripped off from the assets he uses for his videos. But thankfully, that is changeable. So for example, we can take this title right here and make it go from MKBHD brand red to a nice Avrona brand purple. This one here should be good enough. There we go. That's nice. Speaking of titles, there is a lot of them. As you can see right here, there's page after page after page of the things, which is pretty insane. But the main issue is, as you can tell, a lot of them are very, well, MKBHD themed. Even when you replace the colors, that kind of style is very, very specific to that channel. But it's a pretty double-edged sword, because if you don't use so many special effects, many people may not be interested in your videos and just watch MKBHD instead. And if you do use them, well, they're still so recognizably his, you're just gonna be flooded with comments saying that you're ripping off MKBHD. But maybe you have a different opinion on this. Let me know down in the comments below what you think on this MKBHD plugin. Because yes, I like it. There's some really good stuff here I'm going to be using in my videos. But not only is the price really high, but also some of them are so iconically MKBHD that you can't really use them without people accusing you of just ripping off his style. Whatever, if you want to help me recover financially from this purchase, then the best way to do that is to support the channel on Patreon. Because even just $1 single a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also love to thank my existing patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcraft, Lansby, and Jesse Herbman. Thank you guys so much. Support truly really goes a long way. Down there you're also going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.